I wake up early in the morning to start my day. She drinks warm water every morning for a healthy body. He goes for a walk daily to stay fit and active. I brush my teeth twice a day for good oral hygiene. They prepare breakfast together while listening to soft music. I like drinking tea while watching the sunrise in silence. My father reads the newspaper before going to the office. I take a shower and dress up neatly every morning. She always keeps her room clean and organized after waking up. I take my lunchbox and water bottle before leaving home. He rides his bicycle to school every morning without fail. We stand in a line before entering our school classroom. The teacher greets us with a smile every single day. I sit quietly and listen carefully during my school lessons. I always write neatly and complete my homework on time. We raise our hands to ask questions in the class. She helps her friends in solving difficult math problems quickly. During lunch break, we play games and eat with friends. My favorite subject is English because I enjoy reading stories. The bell rings, and we all line up to leave. After school, I go home and wash my hands first. My mother welcomes me with a warm smile every afternoon. I sit down and tell her about my day happily. We eat lunch together and talk about different things freely. After lunch, I rest for a while before doing homework. I like studying in a quiet place with fresh air. She always uses a timetable to manage her daily tasks. I revise my lessons before going out to play. We play cricket in the ground near our school building. He runs fast and always wins the races at school. I return home before sunset and wash my face properly. We help our parents with small tasks around the house. She waters the plants in the garden every evening carefully. My grandmother tells me stories while I sit beside her. I listen to music before dinner to relax my mind. We eat dinner together and talk about our daily experiences. I read one story from a book before going to bed. She keeps a diary and writes about her day every night. He sets the alarm before sleeping to wake up early. I turn off the lights and sleep peacefully at night. They plan their day in the morning to save more time. She makes a to-do list before starting her study session. I wear clean clothes every day to stay fresh and presentable. My brother packs his school bag every night for next day. We greet our elders with respect and always follow their advice. I check my calendar to remember important school events daily. She practices yoga every morning to stay mentally and physically fit. He speaks politely and always says thank you and sorry. We respect our teachers and follow all their instructions sincerely. I keep my books arranged neatly on my study table. She likes to draw and paints beautiful pictures every evening. I enjoy watching the sunset from my balcony every day. They take care of street dogs and feed them every evening. He reads newspaper articles loudly to improve his speaking skills. My sister studies with focus and never wastes her precious time. I like eating fruits because they keep me strong and energetic. She drinks at least 8 glasses of water every single day. We switch off lights and fans before leaving the room. He cleans his shoes regularly to keep them neat and shiny. I always say good morning with a smile to everyone. She loves spending time with her pet cat during evenings. I help my younger brother in completing his homework daily. They donate old clothes to poor children during winter season. My father plants new trees every year in our backyard. I collect coins and stamps as my interesting hobby. She wakes up early and meditates to calm her thoughts. We never throw garbage on roads and keep environment clean. I charge my phone at night so it's ready by morning. She always organizes her books according to subject and size. My uncle teaches me how to fix broken things at home. I enjoy listening to rain while sitting near the window. She keeps her school uniform ironed and ready every evening. We sing patriotic songs during national festivals at school assembly. I keep my shoes in the rack after returning home. He enjoys solving puzzles and crosswords during free time. I like drinking lemon water to feel refreshed and healthy. My best friend brings delicious lunch every day to school. We take turns in cleaning the classroom every week. I save money in my piggy bank for small purchases. She likes to learn new English words every single day. I enjoy Sunday mornings with long walks and tasty breakfast. He helps his mother in buying groceries from local market. We celebrate birthdays by singing songs and sharing sweets together. I thank my parents every day for their love and care. She carries a small notebook to note ideas and thoughts. He listens to English podcasts to improve his pronunciation skills. I always revise before exams to feel confident and prepared. My school organizes different competitions to develop student confidence. I use color pens to highlight important points in notes. She loves reading fairy tales before going to sleep nightly. We should sleep at least 8 hours to stay healthy. He enjoys early morning jogs with his friends in park. I talk to my friends using polite and kind words. She drinks milk daily for strong bones and sharp mind. We follow traffic rules while walking or crossing the road. I clean my room once a week to stay organized. My parents read stories to me during weekend nights. I learn something new from YouTube every day after dinner. She avoids junk food to maintain her fitness and energy. I believe in working hard to achieve my dreams honestly.